Receive the bolt and nut specimen from customer. Need to prepare metallographic analysis. For these two products, there are bolts and nuts in different sizes. First, we need to use the Trojan Tablecut 200 to cut the bolt and nut in half. If the sample size is too small or the shape is irregular, we can use clamping devices. Take out the specimen and observe whether it is burned. Pour the alcohol into the cut specimen. Then clean the surface of the specimen with ultrasonic waves. Blow dry the surface of the specimen. And apply some auto-strip powder. Now we should inlay the cut specimen with FlexPRESS-600 Automatic Mounting Press. Use heat setting to process the smaller diameter nuts, and use cold mounting to process long nuts. Pour in TJ237H preserving hot mounting compounds. We can start with one touch. The pressure is 180 bar and the temperature is 175 degrees. It only takes 5 minutes to complete. Remove the specimen after mounting. We can polish the specimen with Alpha 600 Automatic Grinder and Polisher. Wash the specimen with water. Now we can observe the result with Metallographic microscope. Cold inlay the specimen with Trojan 568 epoxy resin. Next, we put the specimen into the pressure cold mounting machine and wait for 45 minutes. Now we can depressurize the machine and remove the specimen. We can use Trojan Alpha 202 Automatic Grinder Polisher.